Wow. The next application is not less impressive. So we're going to talk about geolocation. I don't know if you guys are familiar. It's a new technology. It's called GPS. Bad joke. So to help us understand GPS, GNSS, GLONASS, and all the things that's part of our everyday life, welcome to the stage Jean-François Pouly from M3 and Olivier Dorelis.
Good morning,
Jean-François, Olivier, welcome to Alliance Day. Can you tell us a little bit about M3?
Yes, of course, Armando, thanks. M3 System is based in France. We are a company of 35 people that have been working in GNSS, Global Navigation by Satellite Systems, for 15 years. We have developed expertise in signal processing, performance analysis, algorithm design, and we have developed many GNSS testing products that we sell over the globe. Nowadays, we are recognized by our customer as experts in GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and other constellations. So for products that use this technology, we can help.
And you need to know, Armando, M3 System has people on staff who actually contributed a lot to this new European GPS standard, which is called Galileo.
Wow. M3 is part of the bodies that write the new standards. Can you tell us about one application where you use that knowledge?
Of course. We recently worked with a large automotive manufacturer, helped test their infotainment system. As you mentioned, Armando, satellite navigation and GNSS-based technology is universal in car. So most of automotive manufacturers are incorporating this technology and need to verify it. It is a competitive market, so anything they can do to reduce their time to market is very beneficial. And global car manufacturers ship their system around the world. So the system must be able to use GNSS constellation in different countries. So they ask us to provide an equipment capable of representing this real-world signal so they can test their system without the need to hire drivers or other personnel.
Wow, that sounds very complicated. Can you describe the platform a little bit more, Jean-François?
Yes, of course. M3 System delivered a solution based on our product line, Stella NGC. With this product, you can simulate or you can record on playback real GNSS data, and this platform allows our customer to do this reliably and efficiently. Okay? And this product is compatible with the most famous GNSS constellation, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and it covers needs for many fields like space, aeronautics, defense, and so on. We have delivered this product to French Space Agency, to Mitsubishi, to Thales, and more.
And in that case, Jean-François, I guess you deliver really more content to this geolocation simulator for telematics.
Yes, that's true. We generate Galileo, GPS, GLONASS, and we integrated our equipment to cars' internals using a CAN connection, which helps synchronization and data collection. Of course, Stella NGC could be adapted for many use cases and bus type as well. We also delivered a module for modeling multipath effect generated in real world. I'm talking about reflected and diffracted signals, as we can see visualized on the screen right now. So the white line is the direct path, and we have diffracted and reflected signal, so we can zoom out and see it's a sting, obviously.
Wow, you can simulate the satellite signals and how they are refracted.
Yeah.
It seems like we're going downtown here, Austin,
yes,
and everything is okay. And then there is a tower there, and what's going to happen? Oh no, we lost our signal because of the tower downtown.
Yeah, that's true.
I love your logo. Simulation is not about perfection, it's about reality.
Thank you.
So it's really impressive the work M3 is doing. Olivier, what makes M3 the perfect partner for this kind of applications?
So first, I would like to say M3 was able to reach the gold partner level in less than 3 years, which is impressive, and that shows a great relationship. And this is because they have a deep, very deep expertise in GNSS, as we shown. Second, they have a deep experience in RF and in VHDL coding. And they are able to service any customer at any location. So they successfully shipped a system in China, in India, in Japan, and Europe, and of course in France.
Well, you're missing like a big market, US, and of course there's other countries in the world.
Yes, and in my experience, the M3 is very willing to work across the world and with other alliance partners. They have actually a contract in place with here in the US with Certec to help them distribute Stella NGC. Right. They are also negotiating an agreement with Taiyo to service Japan as well. And the bottom line for you guys and sellers and partners in front of this big market and with multiple opportunities is to go ask your account about geolocation. And if they are working on it, just get in touch with Jean-François to see how M3 and NI can help them to reduce their complexity, test, and cost of time. Oh, sorry. Complexity, time, and cost of test.
Very good. Jean-François, what results can the customers that get this proven platform can expect?
Good question. Since our customer chose a GNSS simulation with Stella NGC, they were able to increase the test coverage of their system by 15%. And we helped them to reduce the cost of the test by 50%, in part by eliminating the need of drivers and overhead. Moreover, with our product, our customer will go from open testing to hardware-in-the-loop testing over time.
This is great. Now, it's probably obvious what's my theme for today. In case you didn't notice, go look at the Alliance Partner Directory to find M3 Stella NGC solution, or visit them on their booth here downstairs.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Jean-François. Thank you very much, Olivier. It's really impressive the work you've done.